Welcome to the City of Angels, Los Angeles. From Hollywood glamour to golden beaches and world-class cuisine, Los Angeles is where dreams are made. Whether you're chasing fame, food, or fun, LA offers an unforgettable mix of glamour and grit, sun and soul. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know before visiting. Top attractions, must-try food, what to buy, travel tips, and so much more. Let's go. Los Angeles is the second largest city in the United States, home to over 4 million people, and it's famous for its entertainment industry, diverse neighborhoods, and sunny Mediterranean climate. It's a sprawling city, so planning ahead is key to enjoying everything it has to offer. Originally a Spanish settlement in the late 1700s, Los Angeles became part of the United States in 1848. The entertainment boom began in the early 20th century, turning Hollywood into the movie capital of the world. But Los Angeles isn't just movies, it's a cultural mosaic. From Mexican-American roots to Korean, Armenian, Persian, and Ethiopian communities, each neighborhood tells its own story. LA enjoys sunshine around 284 days a year. The best time to visit? Spring, from March through May, and fall, from September through November, offer pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and more affordable hotel rates. Summer is iconic, but expect higher prices, larger crowds, and the occasional heat wave. Winter is mild but can be rainy. Here are some must-see spots. Hollywood, visit the Walk of Fame, catch a movie at the historic TCL Chinese Theater, and take a selfie with the Hollywood sign from Griffith Observatory. Santa Monica, walk the Santa Monica Pier, ride the Ferris wheel, then stroll the beach to Venice. Venice Beach, known for its quirky vibe, street performers, Muscle Beach Gym, and skateboard park. Griffith Park and Observatory, LA's must-visit spot for sunset hiking, starry views, and the observatory, a perfect place where nature, science, and city views come together. The Getty Center, a stunning museum with art, architecture, and hilltop gardens, and it's free. Downtown LA, explore the ultra-modern Broad Museum, Walt Disney Concert Hall, and Food Lovers Paradise Grand Central Market. Malibu for a scenic coastal drive along the Pacific Coast Highway and peaceful beach stops. Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive. Enjoy luxury shopping and celeb spotting. Looking for unforgettable experiences? Try these. Take a studio tour. Walk through actual film sets at Warner Bros. Or go all out with rides and shows at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hike to the Hollywood sign, the Brush Canyon or Wisdom Tree Trail offers great views. Bike the Strand. Ride from Santa Monica to Manhattan Beach for an epic oceanfront view. Catch a game. Watch the Lakers, Clippers, or Dodgers live for a true local experience. Catch a sunset from Malibu or El Matador Beach. Experience LA's iconic nightlife. Head to West Hollywood for buzzing clubs or rooftop bars in downtown LA for skyline views. Explore the Arts District, LA's creative side with murals, pop-up galleries, and local brews. Los Angeles is a foodie's dream, shaped by immigrants and innovators. Here are some can't-miss bites. Street tacos, especially in East LA or from Leo's Taco Truck. In-N-Out Burger. Order it animal style for the secret menu experience. Korean barbecue. Cook your own feast in Koreatown. Jen and Kang Ho-dong are really popular. Ramen and sushi. Try Sawtell Boulevard in West LA. Dim sum in the San Gabriel Valley. California donuts. You've got to try their colorful cereal-topped or panda-faced donuts. And drink-wise, Los Angeles loves a matcha latte, fresh cold-pressed juice, or a good mezcal cocktail. Bring home a piece of LA. Great souvenirs include LA-themed apparel and mugs from local gift shops. Classic Hollywood memorabilia, perfect for film lovers. Local fashion from Melrose Avenue or Abbot Kinney Boulevard. Handmade crafts or art from Melrose Trading Post. And don't forget organic skincare or wellness products from local boutiques. Some quick tips to make your LA trip smooth. Getting there. LAX is the main airport, but consider flying into Burbank for fewer crowds. Getting around. LA is car-centric, so renting a car is best, but just know traffic is heavy. Use Waze to navigate and try to avoid rush hours if possible. which are 7 to 10 in the morning and 4 to 7 in the evening. Public transport. The metro rail and bus system covers major areas, which is great for downtown and Hollywood. Stay in different areas depending on your plans. Hollywood for sightseeing, Santa Monica for beach vibes, or downtown for nightlife. Apps to download: Uber, Lyft, Los Angeles Metro, and Parkmobile for parking. Tipping. 15 to 20% at restaurants is standard. And dress casual and light. LA style is relaxed and the weather is usually warm. Los Angeles is more than just a city. It's a vibe, a culture, and a state of mind. From star-studded streets to hidden local gems, it's a place where every traveler finds their own story. Ready to explore LA? Let us know your dream spots in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next city.